guys? Welcome to Social Media Sunday. It's your girl Seynt here, and in today's video I want to chat to you about that link in our Instagram profile or bio. Well, are you the type of person that keeps switching it up all the time because you've got more than one link? Well, I've got a solution for you, so if you're interested, then stay tuned. I have discovered a website not long ago called Linktree, and it is definitely a game changer. So they've got like a free version and a pro version, and in this video I'm just going to talk about the free version because I think that's all we need. After signing up with them, they provide like a unique URL which you can then click onto it and then add multiple links to it. So this means they put in there a link for your blog or a link for your Facebook page or YouTube videos. You know, give me a thumbs up if this is a game changer. If you want to see what it looks like, feel free to jump over to my Instagram account. I'll link it here and you can click on it and see what it looks like for yourself. So I'm going to go through a couple of steps that you need to go through to get yourself all set up. First things first, what you need to do is hop onto their website, and I'll link their details in my description box below. Once you're on their website, click on that green button to sign up for a free account. And once you've done that, you'll be moved to another page where they'll ask for your permission or your authorization for Linktree to access your basic information. You then jump onto the page where it shows you what the free version is and what the pro version is. And of course, we don't want to pay for it, so let's opt in for the free version. So once you've done that, you'll hit a page where you'll ask for your name and your email address. Put those details in and click on that box to agree with their terms and condition, and then save your details. Alright guys, this is where you can start adding your links, and go ahead and put your Facebook page or your blog or your e-commerce site or whatever it is. I know that it is quite straightforward, and I hope that you can now add all your links in there and not have to keep changing them up all the time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that like button if you found that this tutorial was helpful to you. But that's all from me for now, and I will see you on my next video.